Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find communities on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Okay, you go to the tool line at the upper bar on the home screen, go to the settings icon and go to the second section, the data next to the game, and here you can find different communities on Instagram, Facebook, Discord, YouTube, TikTok and others. If you want to connect for one, just click the for example the Instagram and you can join the community. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.